Okay, we're about to go in, it looks like. Yeah, this is gonna close in 5 minutes. I know I should wait, but I just really want to buy now. Ooh, see this? This is why you wait. So in case I don't put the last video up, which I probably won't, this is the opening 15-minute range for the Nasdaq future. I don't have access to the E-mini, unfortunately, which everyone says I should trade. But the idea of the strategy is that once this closes above this range, I go in for a buy instantly. This is from a different strategy, so this is an orb strategy by Mike Trades Daily on YouTube, and these are supply and demand zones that I learned from Bernd Skoropinski, but I'm sure everybody uses some sort of support and resistance, but these seem to be the best idea. So I don't know how much I'll regard these. I'm not supposed to, according to Mike. It's just, yeah, it's going to be a trailing stop loss type of situation with this. And yeah, it's about to close in 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes, and maybe it'll close under and we won't get in, but we should get in here. So this level here, which we had a lot of basing, we closed twice. Sorry, we touched twice now and we've been rejected. And I guess you can't really count that as a touch up here. So there's a lot of orders here. But it looks like I'm going to go for it, first trade. What is it, 0.1? One whole thing is oh shit. Now I don't know. 0.01, right? I've got 40 seconds to figure it out. Let's at least have toolbox down here with exposure, and so I know what the fuck is going on. .01. I think I might have fucked this up. Because one contract is 20,000. 0.1 is 10% of that. There it is, first ever trade. Okay. So we're gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright, Sherry. Okay. I think it was 0.1 I should have done, right? If one contract is 20,000. 10% of that is 2,000. So, but there's leverage. I think I should have done 0.1. Ugh, let's see. I think I should have done 0.1. What price did I buy at? 285.75. I think I fucked that up. $85.75. This is I put $1 on it? What does that mean? I think it's supposed to be 1. Okay. This is no good. Let's say this is the price. 2228.19. And let's say this is the stop. 19,938. 19,934.15, whatever. Alright, so it's not even 1-to-1. Make 2,000 of this. This is not right. That's the account size in USD. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know how much I've risked. Hold on. Let's go back here. This is why. Should I ask AI? I'm asking AI. 200 rep stop loss. 0.01 lot size trade on RSI 100 futures. What is my approximate, because of fees and stuff, risk? Come on. It's fucking $2. Is it actually $2? Did I just put a trade in for $2? It's 150. It's even less. It's even less. It's 150. How do I switch easily? Like this. I figured it out. Where it's literally like $1.50 I just risked. Conservative trader. Real true professional. I am. Okay, 20s, and so that if that goes, I don't know. Visually, it looks a bit different. There's 30 cents here, $1 there, $1.50. Yeah. This is the candle, right? I don't even understand it. I also have to try to be quiet. This is the one that broke the range. This is the range. So down here. Yeah, it's about 150. Yeah. I fucked that up. So if we get to about mid-range, I'm gonna add again. Much bigger this time. We'll do $15 risk. We'll do 0.1 next time. Let's go to trading view. Look, my face is gone. Brilliant. Just an all-round noob. Okay. I'm thinking I'm gonna buy again at about mid-range, if that happens. Or if another one closes. Should I buy now? Should we try to fix it? Average in. Let's buy now. At least, at least risk a little bit, right? 0.1 is what we're talking about. Look at me doubling up. Big moves. This is embarrassing. I don't think I have to put it up. I was about to say I don't think I'll ever post this, but I'll post every trade. I'll post every trade. And sorry about this, I'm sharing a house and someone in the next room is working. So I'm trying to enunciate and be a good presenter, and also keep my voice down. This is not going well. I mean, in terms of execution, it's not going well. It's alright. Nothing's happened just yet. I'm just bad at TradingView and MT5 and OBS and and basic mathematics. I don't actually get it though. 0.01% or 0.01 lot size means 1%. 1% of 20,000 is $200, right? What am I missing? The leverage is what I'm missing, right? Leverage is 100 times that. Then it becomes $2. Yeah. So it's 1 to 100 leverage. So I can just do. So if I want to risk 10%, which I don't, I would do a whole thing. With 200 pips, I would do one lot for about 10%. 200 pips. I don't know, but I'm close. I'm close to knowing. Alright, look at that. We're going in my direction. Look, check out these profits. Making money already. First trade. See, this is why you've got to do some paper trading. Everyone warned me. I got away with. I didn't get away with shit. This is what's happening. Like, it's a waste. But yeah, so far so good. I didn't make the opposite mistake. I didn't risk 2,000 right away and blow my account. So that's alright. Alright, we're in profit. We are in profit. This is just so ugly to look at, MT5, isn't it? It's not like themes. $2.4. Can't we like properly watch it on TradingView? No, we can't, because I don't know how to do this. It's not even 1%, is it? 0.75%. Okay. $5, is that right? It's close. The price is actually 257, 20,057.70. Don't know what's going on. Now I don't know why this is that different. 57, 8, who said 81? 70. I mean, fine, whatever. It just can't show me. I have to zoom in for it to show me, I think. First two trades in quick succession. There's got to be a way for the window to switch with me. See, I keep switching back and then realizing that the OBS is not switching, right? Is there like a dominant window setting? Automatic scene switcher. That sounds right. No window matches, that's not. And then trading view, let's try it again. I mean, we're gonna try it. I don't think this is it. Can't even see it. Can't even see it. Where's MT5? I cannot even see it. Alright, that was a bust. Cancel. I'm just gonna have to do it. Sorry. Alright, we're in profit. Now this is gonna be wrong. This is gonna say $35, but actually it is $3. Something's wrong. Again. Ten times this? What's going on? $0.1. Entry price is correct. I mean, surely it should be like close, right? Look, it's at $8. This was actually, this reflects, 0.01 reflects better. Okay, let's add a stop loss, and that should How do I add a fucking stop? Uh-oh. Alright, 200 point stop loss. What? How is that possible? What just happened? $200 stop loss. At a lower price then. What's going on? Shouldn't a 200 stop loss automatically be at a lower price than a buy? This is a disaster. So we're gonna put in the price. 19,931.30. Let's do that. 15,000 points? Huh? I officially don't know what's going on. So now let's go. Let's buy again. Are we gonna do one? Are we gonna do one or not? Do we do so? 150. We're not gonna do one. Okay, stop. 19,931.30. Instantaneously starts going negative. That doesn't matter. Watch, and see. Was this even on the right thing? Yep. Okay. We got footage. Uber noob, man. See, I did actually trade before. I was given a funded account by a little known UK prop firm for £25,000. But I was very by the book. I hardly spent time on it. I just looked, and I wrote out a series of instructions and put in accordingly. But I don't know. I thought I was past it. I didn't think I was gonna have issues with lot sizes and stuff. I thought, well, I'll just plug it into a calculator. It'll give me the risk. It'll give me the lot size or where the stop loss should be. In profit, I'm just gonna get rid of that as well. Only lost 11 cents. Once we make it up, if we make it up there, and we might not, let's look at the chart a little more, because we hardly broke out, and we're not really, for now, it doesn't look like we're doing much. But, no buts, and the trend at the moment looks like it's very much a downtrend. So we might even hit this before we come back up. Or not even this, we might even hit this. This is the actual, this is what my actual technical analysis tells me. We should hit here before we even think about coming up, really. But orb, we closed above. We're giving it a go. This looks good. 2 long wicks pointing down, that looks good. It's not 27 though, is it? Let's look at the price. Let's update this. 280.82. That's the price. That's more like it, but this is still wrong. Because actually, it's like, it's not $16. It's $1.6. 1% is $20, right? So, I don't know. I need this like properly explained to me. Let's get out of this shit. Look at that. First trade I ever made is now closed. Or actually, second trade closed. But first trade I ever made is now closed for a whopping 20 cents. Only $4. So this would be, yeah, it's about right. On MT5 it's right. This is somehow 10x, even though we're divided by 10 I don't get it. I don't get it. Look, this is this is pissing me off. How do I? Okay, look. See this? 0.01 lot size, and it's still 10x. You go here, look at that, 0.1 volume, same account size, price is correct. Tell me. This is why it's a good idea to record all of this shit, to document. So I can put this up, make an absolute fool out of myself, and then you people can explain. I will get it just by like putting trades in, but that could have, I mean, I went with 0.01. It couldn't have gone really badly, but I should know what I'm doing. Like, that's the basics. So like here, $45 somehow. But how, man? It's 1-to-1. How could I be risking 0.147 is 0.73? How? This is acting like it's a still makes no difference. Still made no difference. How? So the risk and account size mean nothing. I mean, this will do it, but I'm not getting it. Oh, it won't do it. Oh, it doesn't change. Oh, maybe it's the same, like, maybe it's just wrong from before. Let's try to put in another one. Alright, you can safely fuck off. I shouldn't swear too much, right? Let's see. Now look. And this is... So... Trading views not working. I don't understand how it can be 50. It's 5. But, I mean, right now it should be like 50 cents or 5 cents in this. Maybe it's like the minimum that you can buy. That's why that stuff doesn't matter. Let's do 0.1, right? Because that's what it is. Do this. And it was like... It was... Okay, hold on. It's a lot of ticks. That didn't make any sense to me either. A lot of pips. In MT5. What am I looking for? Price 280.82. 280.82. 14,000 ticks is crazy. I think. 19,931. 93935, I think it is. 30. Someone told me this is my trading view acting up, because what? 931. Okay. So low ticks. How should I go about understanding this? Something going on with leverage here. I think I'm pretty close. I think I've got 1 to 100. So 0.01. This. With how much will I lose? Oh, look. Yeah, 15. Oh. 1 pip is 1/10 of a cent. 1 point is 1/10 of a cent. Gain about 15. Which is 0.75%, right? With my $2,000 account. Yeah. Yeah, 1% would be 20. It's pretty lame. Less than 1% is pretty lame. I should be doing 2% at least. So to risk 2% with 1,000 points. Okay. I think I'm following you. And at 0.2, it could have been 1.5% for 0.2. Look at this though, you know, like here. $141 points. Maybe pips and points are different. So that's 1/10 of a cent. Okay. If we hit the target, it's a nice confident move up. Maybe I could move the stop loss up here. just below this wick. Yeah. I'm gonna move the stop loss just... Oh, I'll get these fucking arrows out of my way. Okay. Just below that wick. Yeah. But it might come and touch this again, right? I think it's gonna come and touch this again. We could break even. Let's go break even. About break even, whatever. 18 cents is fine. Okay, good. If there's no wick at the end of this, we have 3 minutes. If there's no wick at the end of this... Why does it say 5:30 for? And I'm on the wrong thing. I've been meta tradering, and the video is on TradingView. Okay. So move this up. If there's no wick here, I will move it below this wick. Just get the practice of doing this. So blue past this level and shouldn't come and touch this again, or this now especially, but who knows. Oh shit. There's some pressure. Now that wick is about the same size as this wick. We might just move sideways for a bit after this. Which is my prediction. Thinking out loud. I realize I'm not talking much. One minute, let's switch to TradingView. Just do that. Five seconds. And it's kind of an indecisive candle. It might come back down. Yeah, look at this. Indecision. The struggles are real. Okay, if we look back, was there anything special here? No, not really. Come on, we've got to come up and hit this. I'll take... You know what, let's move it. Let's get underneath that. I'm gonna put it here. There's so much indecision here. It shouldn't. It's only been a minute of this candle. It can go. There's been a lot of green candles. It looks like it might come back down, retest, and then go back up. But would it retest all the way down here at the range? Or would it retest See, that, this wick, can't even point to it. This wick makes me think there's enough pressure that it wouldn't go any lower. Much pressure at this level where it would bounce up if it came down. Let's do that. What am I gonna lose, mate? Let's get some experience. Let's do that. Trailing stop, baby. Beneath the wick of the last move up. Seems like a solid move. Oh yeah, I did that. Look, I did it. Oh shit, Globex. Let's go look. It's an S&P thing and I don't have my gold. Might never come back up, to be honest. This might be the new level. I might go in on gold. This is the new level, it looks like. What was I gonna do? S&P. What's the S&P? SP 500 is the one. What are we on? New York time, right? So 9:30. Pre. Should it be up here? I need my notes. 9:30. No, 6 p.m. So, and we're going. This is it. Let's just. Is that it? That's it, after hours, yeah? And we need that. Okay. Mhm. Okay, I have questions now about the Globex trap strategy. What time frame are we supposed to be looking at? Because if it's just 3 hours, then it's just 2 hours after the Globex. And then 8 to 11, let's say here, we can look for somewhere here. Yeah, there's one. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, the whole time I've been doing this, it's been on MT5. So I've been doing technical analysis on the S&P for a Globex trap breakout strategy from Burned. And look, you're coming above. I'm gonna be looking for a buy in 5 minutes if it stays like this. And in like a 15 minute. Eight to 11, so having a fair value up there somewhere would be good. That works. And we're gonna go here to here. Higher time frame would be better, yeah. Look at that. Brilliant. Perfect. Perfect. There's an overlapping fair value gap, or overlapping supply zone just here. So we're gonna mark this out as well. I'm trying to keep it preferred. We'll keep it wide. Looks good as well. Indecisive, yep. Indecisive. Here we go. Snap daily. It's not gonna work because it's. Ooh, maybe daily as well, you know. Okay, I need to see my trade. We're doing well, baby. I should be in on this. I think I should be in on this. And if I measure, not that I know what the fuck goes on if I measure. Yeah, you know. You wanna do it? Let's do it. Another trade. SP 500. We're gonna do it. There's not that much money. It's not the spirit, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna buy. It invalidates down here. Yeah. We'll put it here. 567455. 567455. Yeah. Cool. Take profit for now. Alright, got 2 trades running. One on the Globex Trap Strategy by Bernd Skoropinski, and one on the Orb, not the Crazy Horse Orb, the Orb Strategy by Mike Trades Daily. Come on, that's it. It's gonna be like some overlap here. Ooh, that is not a good ratio at all. That is not a good ratio at all. I'd definitely take it up there, but I'd definitely take it up there, but I'd really be thinking about it here. They're both moving together as well. Look at them. That's not good. And I'm looking at the wrong screen. They are both moving together as well. Look. So if they're on, yeah, so if we get another big green, I'll get both my targets pretty much. This is the opening range of the market, of the NY market. You see, this would have been better if instead of the, actually supposed to be exactly at the same time, right? 9 a.m. and 9 a.m. That's the first 15-minute mark. What? I think this is wrong. I think it's supposed to be this guy. And then we're making it 9:30 and we made it. No, it's right. That's right. I'm not okay. I'm doing okay. This is 9:30. The range for 9:30. The back range would have been here to there. Yeah, it's just, yeah. Look, this would have been the Globex range for Nasdaq. From the bottom there to there. And what do you see here? This would have been the opening range. And I would have come out and I would have bought. I would have been up more. It's interesting. So we're either looking at trying to capitalize on the shift from low to high volume for both, but with the Globex trap strategy, we take the entire range and then anything out of that we use. So it could work out differently. So if the first candle breaks just above the or above the Globex range, we already start looking, right? Yeah, it could work out the other way. So I'm thinking that maybe you catch more trades with the opening 15-minute candle strategy, but if that candle was huge, let's say upwards, then we probably would catch another move there. It was tiny just here, boom boom, then we get to see where it's gonna go, and it might just stay in this range. Yeah, I don't know enough to judge them side by side, but yeah, they could definitely be used on the same things as well. On the same instruments as well. Let's trail that stop loss. Just under that wick. Oh no, that's a strong wick here. Let's smother it. Oh shit, this is the wrong one. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's. How do I even switch Nasdaq? Mm-hmm. Why you? Why are you even there? Hide. Boom. That's a big one. Stay confident. It's okay. Big wick. There's just a lot of buying here. We're gonna see it again. See some pressure here as well. Look, as soon as I say that, but we're gonna see some pressure here as well. We're gonna get a nice long wick here as well. Maybe one all the way down here. I'm just gonna retest that same area. It's really struggling to even get in this area right now. And there's not that long left. Okay. Get away from me. If I was you, that's what you say to me. 21, 2, 2. Why don't you just look? Where is it? 21, 2, 3. It doesn't show. It's in there now. It's in there now. 5 minutes. And where's my stop loss? It's just below. And look, every time you see something like this, look, it doesn't get as far. It doesn't get as far. See, ugh. Let's hope that's true. I wasn't even supposed to look at this. I was gonna go crude oil and gold for Globex. Okay, I need to go to the toilet, but I cannot pull myself away. What? There you go. $230, yeah. Okay. Should be looking. So, I don't know, this is only Lobex, so you should be looking. There's not gonna be any. This is the Manza. Okay. Let's switch. New one started and it's not looking good. It's looking like my stop might get hit. Get a few more cents out of it. No. I think maybe the next one might bounce off this level. Because this has gone further. I think we can afford to move it down here. Can't retest the whole way. $2 profit, baby. Locked in. What am I doing? MT5. Let's go on trading view. So S&P. Just get rid of this shit. So this is the Globex. Now see, the it would maybe be here. Decisive move down, up, yeah. We do a 5 minute here. Pussy colour. Okay. I quite like cyan. Oh, there's an obvious one. This is a much better one. Maybe just the break is enough, but I don't think that's what Burn said. Once it happens, now I'm looking for a thing. 4 p.m. It might be 5 p.m. Let's just go to New York. It is 5 hours, you dipshit. Chicago. That's correct. 6 p.m. Yeah, that's how time works, mate. Well done. Yeah, that's fine. It's still fine. So getting past this is also a good sign. But now it seems like, look at that. That's a supply zone. And it got rejected. And it tested again. It took some of the orders. It seems strong. And there's a teeny tiny little demand zone as well, just under it. Let's see who wins. If this wins, I should go in, right? I really want to go in. It broke above, like the warp strategy. There is nothing. There is nothing above this level. This is the all-time high. No, there is. There is something about this level. 3 months. One month. weeks. So this week, Monday went higher than this. Huh? Today it's gone higher. What? That's very confusing. It was down here. That's the week off, obviously, dum. This week it's gone higher, yeah. Today, Thursday, it's gone higher. Yeah, that's it, getting higher. There's some great analysis there, mate. Okay, I think I'm gonna do gold as well if it closes above this one more time. 15-minute. I do need to find out what the deal is with the Globex strategy. Gold and oil, yeah. Let's look at oil. Just some housekeeping. Look at that. Now we're talking. Oil for Globex. For the after hours. For Chicago. 6 p.m. yesterday to 9:30 a.m. today, yeah? What's with the ones? It doesn't include that because this is the candle. I was thinking if it includes that or not. It does not, right? Because it's the candle that started forming after the market opened. Just barely crosses over. Now let's see, daily, if we can. There's a good supply zone right there. That's been hit. Yeah, technically uncertain candle, decisive, explosive. Yeah, let's do it. Highest point to lowest point, right? Wrong. Zero, what would you say to me? Yeah. Yeah, kinda. I think this is one. I'm not even sure, you know. Oh, we're out. Apparently, we are out of this one. Got a whole $2. And now, this was the Nasdaq. S&P still going. I'm pretty sure this will turn around as well. Alright, let's go to S&P. Just approached it. Okay, I'm getting it on gold if this closes above. Look, we've established some real demand here. How about oil? What's the window of opportunity? 11. I don't know. It was not supposed to be Eastern time. There's a time confusion subplot going on as well. 4 hours, 5 hours was Byrne talking about Eastern time, even when he's talking about Chicago, or did he misspeak about that? Or did he not even say Eastern time? I distinctly remember that. About 4 p.m. Finally going off liquidity. It's the all-time high. People are selling hard here. Should I buy back into this shit? No, I don't. That's a good sign. See with oil. So off this I could buy, and if this can break that high, I'll buy. What you say to me? Me. Come on, Cole, I'm pulling for you. I think I'm gonna end this episode, whatever it is. How long has it been going? Almost 2 hours of this shit. I'm up a couple of dollars, which I'm just about to lose on S&P. But I think that's fair documentation, right? Saw why I got into them. You saw what markets. I talked about the strategies, which I'm muddling up now, which is not great. There's a Globex trap strategy at the beginning of the Chicago exchange, which is 1 hour after the New York exchange. And then there's the orb. I guess the Globex thing is also an orb strategy, but it's not on the first 15-minute candle. These two orb strategies, yeah. One I heard about from Bernd Skoropinski, and one from Mike Trades Daily, the Midas Touch. So that's what we tried so far. We did not try the trend line stuff. But we did kind of mix some supply zones into our decision making from Mike. And if it goes under, what am I supposed to do? If the S&P this is a Globex thing. If the Nasdaq goes below this line, I'm supposed to. Is this even looking at? Yeah. If it goes below this line, I'm supposed to sell, which I'm not gonna do. No, there's a nice supply zone. It's a nice demand zone right underneath. I don't think I should, so I will not. 1 hour time frame. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that's solid. It's a good demand zone. I think, right? So I'm not gonna do that. If it starts going back up, I would still make a bit of money. But the actual win here is gonna be this. All right, we'll see one more candle, then I'll call it quits. Let's quickly see the specifications on this. Not that I fucking know what this means. It's 100 ounces, yeah. It's a big bet, man. It's a big bet if we get to the all-time high, and I bet that it's gonna go higher. It's testing the level over and over and over again. So what I'm thinking is, Burnt taught me that every time a level test happens, more of the unfulfilled orders are filled. So eventually it means it's about to kick off, we completely disregard that area. And then maybe there's another area above, which is the all-time high. And what's her name? Tracy Torrey kind of thinks the opposite. She says the more a trend line is tested, or a support resistance as well, I guess. The more it's tested, the more it kind of proves that it is holding. I don't know which. I want to err with burn, but I want to enter this trade. I want to enter this gold trade. Let's see what it's doing. What about an already if I was he's struggling, man. He can struggle a long time in a certain position. Let's not get in. It's okay. This could be a big run on, but we will get in for sure if this level gets it. Yeah. I think it's gonna come back down. I think it's gonna taste this level here, right? And then go back up. Who knows, mate? Who knows? Going sideways in equilibrium. Now going sideways. So we're in an uptrend. We are not in an uptrend. Going sideways. Maybe a downtrend. Okay. Get away from me. If I was you, I was watch what you say to me. Should have some music playing. Snakes all up in my bed, wanna lay with me. Daily wider. Doesn't matter. Let's just keep rambling. The Globex thing is almost over. The window for opportunity is over. I'm not gonna do any of that. But might bounce off this and go up. Might bounce off this and go up. We got a lot of momentum. It's diminishing momentum, and we are going down. Stick to the checklist. This is not a game. Count is right. So there's multiple. This is daily. Alright, so we got daily as well. Another form, so let's see a little retest, and then I reckon we'll have it. Okay, it's time to set alerts and fuck off. This is S&P, ongoing, and it's a buy, so we want to get up to, let's say 574849. 574849. That's where I want to get up to. Where'd I buy in? I just realised I confused a lot of stuff here. Shouldn't have gone into this according to the global strategy, but I did. Because I ran Mike's orb strategy half and half. It broke the global exchange, I bought it. This is not how supply and demand one works. Multiple confluences. Confirm. Yeah. The matrix still counts. And now doing the actual technical analysis shows me that I was, like, I think the price is going the other way. Look at that daily. Look at that daily. Okay, look, so we've got it. Price is in the expensive zone. Yeah, expensive location. Overall trend is actually down. I mean, sideways down. And we're about to come off a lot of good. Alright, let's put a thing here. We put an alert there. What's this? So now we're going to take notes on the chart. This is not working. Okay. Price expensive. What else? Lower. I don't even know. And lower time frame. LTF supply zone. Let's just see how that looks. Yeah, that's fine. It's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, the text. What happened? Was it 4 hour? Where was I? Where did the text go? I thought I was on daily. Hmm. That's how I do it. So, especially with the swing trays that are going to last longer and they're going to take longer to set up, you do the analysis, write down what is needed to get in, and then move on. Because otherwise, it's not going to be possible like this. Alert set at the 2 hour. Hmm? 5 price alerts. Fantastic. You already got one for... There's none here. I think I need to come out of this fucking trade. So it's sideways and price is in equilibrium, basically, right? There's a great big brother, little brother, that's right, but it's not good enough. The other two things aren't there. So this crossing as well, you can fuck right off. In 3 minutes, let's see how far this kind of goes. And we'll be out of this as well. Okay. This is where I wanted to set it, right? Yeah. Gold I really don't know what to do with. It's at an all-time high. Surely that's a lot of pressure for, you know, a lot of orders up there, a lot of supply up here. This is all the supply zone. If it comes back down, what's going to happen? I think it will come back down. We'll see. We'll keep it up. Nasdaq. You made me a bit of money today. What do I do with Nasdaq? What's the overall trend? much up. Price is expensive. Looks like structure just broke. We'll make it wider. It's gonna be about here. So we're getting cheap, right? We can make it through this. If we touch here, that's a real... Let's see if we can do a low brother. In here somewhere. And I think... no. It's probably going to be 30 minutes, isn't it? Maybe too low for time frame now, right? This is it. sounds right, but it doesn't look right. So, equilibrium cheap. That would have been good, man. So, I'm gonna put one here. Alright, this is also daily. Okay, so it looks like we're going down here. Let's see if we break. And downtrend. There's no entry. It's breaking the supply zone and entry. Or demand zone. I don't know any of these things. If this 1 hour holds, 1 hour's already breaking the rules, isn't it? He said from 2 to 4 hours. Shit. I completely forgot. I'm closing. Oh my god, it's been on MT5 this whole time. This is a waste. $0.07 in profit.